US oil price hits a fresh 2019 high. West Texas Intermediate rose as much as 0.5% to $65.89. We're now at $65.95, its highest level since October. Brent crude, the global benchmark, also came within a whisker of the year high touched on Monday. Last I looked, $74.39. The moves came after the Trump administration on Monday announced the end of waivers from US sanctions granted to India, China, Japan, South Korea, and Turkey. Oil prices have risen nearly 40% this year as the OPEC cartel of oil producers cut production and sanctions on Iran and Venezuela tightened supply in global markets. Current waivers expire on the 2nd of May, and the decision is likely to worsen the ongoing supply woes being felt with Venezuelan sanctions, the OPEC supply cut, and intensifying conflict in Libya. This is a chart of Brent crude from yesterday. We've gone higher. Iran threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz, which also lifted prices. Mike Pompeo, the US Secretary of State, has on Monday announced a move to end waivers when they expire in early May. That took Brent 3% higher yesterday, then it retraced, and now it's back above the levels from yesterday. And we also learned that an attack was thwarted on a Saudi security facility and 4 gunmen were shot dead. Building belonging to Saudi Arabia's Mabahith security agency in the town of Al-Zulfi. 3 police officers were likely hurt in what the statement called a terrorist attack. The risk of terrorism has been underplayed, I feel, in Saudi Arabia. Brent, this is a longer term chart from RV Analysis. Take a look at that. And I take you back to the 8th of April when I was writing about oil, and I said whoever controls this spigot, because this is real cash, can control the world. Depending on prices, oil is estimated to represent between 2 and 3% of global GDP. At the current price, that was then of $70 per barrel, the annual value of global oil output is $2.5 trillion. Then double that up with futures trading and you come up with $5 trillion. And that's why I say the 21st century oil economy is a very big deal. And Richard Kapuscinski wrote about it as follows: oil creates the illusion of a completely changed life, life without work, life for free. Oil is a resource that anesthetizes thought, blurs vision, corrupts. Oil kindles extraordinary emotions and hopes, since oil is above all a great temptation. It is the temptation of ease, wealth, strength, fortune, power. It is a filthy, foul-smelling liquid that squirts obligingly up into the air and falls back to earth as a rustling shower of money.